This is what you need to know about whooping cough. It's more common than you think, but with the right knowledge, you can keep your kids safe. Whooping cough, or pertussis, is a highly contagious illness caused by the Bordetella pertussis bacteria. It spreads easily through coughs and sneezes, so it can move quickly, especially among young children. The main symptoms to watch out for: severe, rapid coughing fits that end with a distinctive whoop sound, especially when your child breathes in. Sometimes the coughing is so intense it can cause vomiting or exhaustion. Babies may not make the classic whoop, but they can struggle to breathe. If you notice these signs, don't wait. See your doctor right away. Treatment usually means antibiotics like azithromycin, which can help stop the infection and make symptoms less severe. But here's the good news. Whooping cough is vaccine preventable. Keeping up with your child's recommended vaccinations is the best way to protect them and everyone around them. So, if you hear that telltale cough, take action early. With a little knowledge and the right care, you can keep your family safe and healthy.